Okay, this is John in Los Angeles. It's February 14th, 2021. We got one of those orange sprayers again. Look at this. He's going off in the distance, but look at the plume behind this pecker bite. Look at that. Holy crap. This is not funny, guys. You have people walking around with masks on, not looking up at this stuff. They got some plans for us here. You look at the amount of stuff coming out of that. And all behind it, too. It's not the sun making that orange back there. Good news for you. Don't let me lose them. Look at that turd. Look at that thing. What aircraft emits that? Yeah, that's a CONtrail, sure. Ice crystals, no problem. Windy as hell out here. Oh, my battery's getting low. Better get some good footage of this idiot. Wow, man, this is really too much. Too much, guys. Look at this. Come on. Look at the thickness of that. Good Lord. Well, as much as I've videotaped these guys, I'm just still astounded by what they're getting away with. Just sick. Look at this, it's endless. There's no way any kind of regular aircraft can hold this much material. No friggin' way. Look at that. All behind it is also the substance they're pouring into our air. Wow, that's unbelievable. It's freezing cold out here tonight, but I saw this thing far away, but when I get close like this, I just see how much stuff's coming out of this. Look at this, is amazing. It's sickening. There's still people that'll argue that they're CONtrails, though, and I don't know how. A lot of the same ones are falling for that mask thing. Ridiculous. And if this was a big pandemic, they wouldn't have gloves and masks sitting all over the street. They'd have biohazard bins. We've talked about this before. But they don't. It's just a new form of pollution now, you know? Oh, look at all these masks and gloves everywhere. Nobody cares. They're all scared. They just throw them off. And I don't know how long this thing's going to last here. I hope you don't get bored. But my God, look at this. What's happening to our air? It's very far away, so it starts to get kind of pixely and weird, but oh boy. Yeah, this is insane. Are we dealing with human beings? I have to really question that, because this is going on all over the world and nobody is talking about it. Talking about climate change and global warming. How can you talk about that without this? You got to talk about this. This has to be in the equation right here. They're changing everything. And they never talk about this. Yeah, it starts to get blurry. Oh, the wind is kicking up here. Anyway, I think I gave you enough info on this one, right? One more quickie. Boy, hard to witness this stuff. And all that back there is not the sun shining on our clouds or anything like that. You know, it's just not. They've been doing this all day long. I'm just waiting for it to do something weird, like explode or something. There's probably nobody in this craft. It's probably remote, I would imagine. What kind of pilot could fly this with this stuff all around him like this? You have to be in a spacesuit of some kind. Oh, freaking douchebags. Unbelievable what we got to deal with. You know, poisoning our food, our water, our air. It just goes on. Now they got the mask thing, and then they want the vaccination thing. Leave us alone, you filth bags. All right, this is enough of this guy. It looks like a big pecker sticking out of the pole there. Nice. Well, it is a big pecker. Okay. I'm done with this fart knocker. All right, I'm out. Look at that. All them, guys. All them. Scum.